Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Healthy. Today, we're going to talk about the 7 best herbs and spices to lower your cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a common health issue that affects millions of people around the world. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that is essential for the proper functioning of the body, but when levels become too high, it can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. While medication can be prescribed to lower cholesterol levels, some people may prefer to try natural remedies such as herbs and spices. In this video, we'll explore some of the best herbs and spices to treat high cholesterol and how they can be incorporated into your diet. It's important to note that these remedies should not replace medical treatment, and you should always consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new supplements or remedies. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is a commonly used herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Several studies have shown that garlic can have a positive effect on cholesterol levels. It contains compounds such as allicin, which has been shown to lower total cholesterol levels, and LDL cholesterol levels, or the bad cholesterol. Garlic is believed to work by inhibiting the liver's production of cholesterol. When garlic is ingested, it produces compounds that block the enzymes responsible for cholesterol synthesis in the liver. As a result, less cholesterol is produced, which can help to reduce overall cholesterol levels in the body. In addition to its cholesterol lowering effects, garlic is also believed to have other cardiovascular benefits. It has been shown to help prevent blood clots, which can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Garlic also helps to improve blood circulation, which can reduce the risk of hypertension and other cardiovascular diseases. There are several ways to incorporate garlic into your diet. It can be added to soups, stews, and sauces, or roasted and added to vegetables or meat dishes. Garlic can also be consumed in supplement form, although it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been found to have a wide range of health benefits. One of the most significant benefits of curcumin is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a major contributor to many chronic diseases, including heart disease. Several studies have also shown that curcumin can help to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. It works by reducing the production of cholesterol in the liver and increasing the elimination of cholesterol from the body. Additionally, curcumin has been found to help improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of blood vessels. This can help to improve blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. One of the best ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet is by using it as a spice in cooking. It can be added to curries, stews, and soups, or used to flavor rice and vegetables. Turmeric can also be consumed in supplement form, although it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Number 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Several studies have shown that cinnamon can have a positive effect on cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol. It works by reducing the amount of cholesterol that is absorbed by the body and increasing the elimination of cholesterol from the body. Cinnamon is also believed to help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for people with diabetes. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and people with diabetes often have difficulty regulating their blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity by reducing insulin resistance, which can help to lower blood sugar levels and improve overall health. One of the best ways to incorporate cinnamon into your diet is by using it as a spice in cooking. It can be added to oatmeal, smoothies, and baked goods, or used to flavor tea and coffee. Cinnamon can also be consumed in supplement form, although it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is a spice that has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal purposes. Several studies have shown that ginger can have a positive effect on cholesterol levels. It works by reducing the amount of cholesterol that is absorbed by the body and increasing the elimination of cholesterol from the body. This can help to lower total cholesterol levels and LDL cholesterol levels. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering effects, ginger has also been found to help improve blood circulation. It contains compounds that help to dilate blood vessels, which can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Ginger has also been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, which can further improve cardiovascular health. There are several ways to incorporate ginger into your diet. It can be added to stir fries, curries, and soups, or used to flavor tea and smoothies. Number 5. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an herb that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries for its health benefits. One of the most significant benefits of fenugreek is its ability to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Several studies have shown that fenugreek seeds can help to lower both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels, or the bad cholesterol. The cholesterol-lowering effects of fenugreek are thought to be due to its high content of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the gut, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This can help to lower total cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Fenugreek can be consumed in a variety of ways, including as a spice in cooking, as a tea, or in supplement form. It can be added to curries, stews, and soups, or used to flavor rice and vegetables. Fenugreek seeds can also be steeped in hot water to make a tea, or taken in supplement form. Number 6. Coriander. Coriander is an herb that has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine. Recent studies have shown that coriander may have cholesterol-lowering effects as well as other potential health benefits. Coriander contains compounds called phytosterols, which are similar in structure to cholesterol. When consumed, phytosterols can compete with cholesterol for absorption in the gut, which can help to lower blood cholesterol levels. Coriander also contains other compounds that have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can improve overall health. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering effects, coriander has been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, which may help to support immune system health. It is also a good source of vitamin C and other nutrients. There are several ways to incorporate coriander into your diet. It can be added to soups, stews, and curries, or used to flavor rice and vegetables. Coriander seeds can also be steeped in hot water to make a tea. Number 7. Holy basil. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a sacred herb in Ayurvedic medicine and has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. Recent studies have shown that holy basil may have cholesterol-lowering effects as well as other potential health benefits. Holy basil contains compounds called eugenol and rosmarinic acid, which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds may help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Holy basil has also been found to have cholesterol-lowering effects, although more research is needed to determine the exact mechanism of action. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering and anti-inflammatory effects, holy basil has been shown to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which may help to support immune system health. It is also a good source of vitamin C and other nutrients. There are several ways to incorporate holy basil into your diet. It can be added to soups, stews, and curries, or used to flavor rice and vegetables. Holy basil can also be steeped in hot water to make a tea. Incorporating herbs and spices into your diet is a great way to add flavor to your meals while also potentially improving your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. Garlic, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, fenugreek, coriander, and holy basil are just a few examples of herbs and spices that have been shown to have cholesterol-lowering properties. However, it's important to remember that these remedies should not replace medical treatment, and you should always consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new remedies. By combining a healthy diet with regular exercise and medical treatment, you can take steps to improve your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease.